A package for a neighbor.
Hi, neighbor. How are you?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. And you?
I'm fine, thank you. Hey, I think I have something for you.
Oh, really? What is it?
A delivery man left a package for you with me.
A package for me? That's great. I was waiting for it.
He said you were not at home.
Yes, I was at work all day.
No problem at all. I was happy to take it for you. Is it big?
Yes, it's a big box.
Then this is it. It's a little heavy.
Thank you so much for bringing it.
You're welcome. What did you order?
New shoes for running.
What did you order? Oh, that's nice.
I try to go in the morning.
Use your package. Be careful.
Thank you. Did you have to sign for it?
Yes, I signed on a small machine.
Perfect. That's very kind of you.
It's good to help. We are neighbors after all.
That's true. If you ever need help, just ask.
Thank you. I will.
Well, have a good evening.
You too. Enjoy your new shoes.
Thanks again. Bye.
Taking the stairs.
Hello? Are you also going up?
Yes, but I think the elevator is broken.
Oh dear, not again. Are you sure?
I pushed the button, but nothing happened. It's completely quiet.
You're right. It's not working.
So we have to take the stairs.
Yes. What floor do you live on?
I live on 5th floor. And you?
I'm on the 4th floor. It is a long walk.
You can say that again, especially after a long day.
I have my grocery bags with me. They are a little heavy.
Do you need help with them?
No, thank you. You are very kind. I can manage.
Well, at least we get some free exercise.
That is a positive way to see it.
We just have to go slowly.
That is a good idea. Do you know when they will fix the elevator?
I have no idea. I hope it's soon.
Me too. It is difficult without it.
But it's nice to see a neighbor. We never talk much.
That's true. We always meet on the stairs.
Well, are you ready to go up?
Yes, let's go.
See, it's not so bad together.
You are right. Thank you.
A little too loud.
Good evening. Sorry to bother you.
Oh, hello. What problem? Is everything okay?
I wanted to talk to you for a moment.
Yes, of course. What is it?
Your music is a little loud.
Oh, is it? I'm sorry. I didn't realize.
I can hear it very clearly in my apartment.
I thought it was a normal level.
I have to get up early for work tomorrow, and I need to sleep.
You've got a point. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean to disturb you.
Thank you for understanding.
Should I tone it down?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Okay, I will do it right now. Is this better?
Yes, that is much better. Thank you.
Sometimes I don't notice the noise.
I understand. The walls are very thin in this building.
That's true. Maybe I should use headphones.
That is a very good idea. Then you can enjoy your music and it's quiet for everyone else.
Yes, that is a perfect solution.
Thank you for being so nice about it.
And thank you for telling me politely.
Well, good night.
Good night to you too.
The barking dog.
Hello, neighbor. Do you have a minute?
Hi, yes, of course. Is everything all right?
I wanted to talk about your dog.
Oh, is he okay?
He is fine, but he barks quite a lot, sometimes late at night.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't know it was that loud.
It can be. It sometimes wakes me up.
I understand. That is not good. I will do something about it.
Thank you. Why do you think he barks so much?
I think he is bored. I work long hours, so he is alone a lot.
Poor thing. Dogs need company.
I know, I feel bad about it.
Maybe a longer walk before you leave could help to make him tired.
That's a good tip. I can try that tomorrow.
Or maybe a special toy to keep him busy.
Yes, I heard about those. Thank you for the ideas.
You're welcome. I don't want to cause trouble.
No, you are right to say something. I don't want to disturb anyone.
Your dog is very beautiful, by the way. I can see that. Well, I am glad we talked.
Me too. I will take Waki for a long walk right now.
That's great. Have a good evening.
You too, and thank you again for being so understanding.
The wrong parking spot.
Excuse me. Hi.
Oh, hello. Do you live here too?
Yes, I do. I think you are in my parking spot.
Oh, really? I am very sorry. Which number is this?
This is number 27. It's my spot.
Oh, I see. My mistake. I thought this was mine.
No worries. It happens. The numbers are very old and hard to read.
You can say that again. I could not see them clearly.
Is your spot number 28?
Yes, that's it. It's right next to this one.
Exactly.
I feel a bit silly. I will move my car right now.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I need to park my car.
Of course. Have you been waiting long?
No, I just arrived.
Okay, good. I'm moving it now.
Thank you very much.
It's no problem at all. It was my fault.
We should ask the building manager to repaint the numbers.
That is a fantastic idea. It would make things much clearer for everyone.
I agree. Well, thank you again.
You're welcome. Have a good evening.
You too.
Locked out.
Hello? Is anyone home?
Hello? Oh, hi, neighbor. What's wrong? You look worried.
I have a big problem. I left my keys inside my apartment.
Oh no, so you are locked out?
Yes, and the door closed behind me. I don't know what to do.
Don't worry. Come in, please. Don't wait in the hallway.
Are you sure? I don't want to be a bother.
It's no bother at all. Please come inside.
Thank you so much. You are very kind.
Do you have a spare key with a friend or family?
Yes, my sister has one. I just called her.
That's good news. Is she coming soon?
She is coming, but she lives on the other side of the city. It will take maybe an hour.
That's okay. You can wait here. Please take a seat.
Thank you. I feel so silly.
It can happen to anyone. It happened to me last year.
Really?
Yes, my neighbor helped me then too. Can I get you a glass of water or some tea?
A glass of water would be lovely. Thank you.
Here you are. Just relax. Your sister will be here soon.
Thank you again. You are a lifesaver.
That's what neighbors are for.
I will be sure to give you a spare key for emergencies.
That's a great idea. And I will give you one too.
A mix-up with the mail.
Hi, neighbor. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I well, thanks. Hey, I think I have a letter for you.
Oh, for me? How?
I found it in my mailbox this morning. It has your name on it.
Oh, thank you for bringing it to me. I was wondering where it was.
No problem at all. I think the mail courier made a mistake.
That happens sometimes. What is your apartment number?
I'm in 3A.
And I'm in 3B. We are right next to each other.
Ah, that makes sense.
Yes, it's an easy mistake to make. The numbers on the mailboxes are very small.
That's really true. It is hard to read them.
Maybe we should put bigger name signs on the doors.
That is a great idea, with our names in big letters.
Then maybe the mail will go in the right box.
I hope so. Most of my mail is just ads, but sometimes there are important letters.
Yes, like this one.
This one looks important.
Well, I'm glad I saw you today.
Me too. Thank you again for being so honest and helpful.
Of course, that's what good neighbors do.
Definitely. Have a wonderful day.
You too. See you later.
About the trash bins.
Hello, neighbor. Do you have a moment?
Hi, yes, sure. What's up?
I just wanted to talk about the trash area downstairs.
Okay, is there a problem?
Well, sometimes people leave trash bags on the floor next to the bin.
Oh, I see.
It can make the hallway smell a bit bad.
You have a point. I think I did that yesterday. I'm sorry.
No problem. I just wanted to mention it.
The large bin was completely full. I didn't know where to put my bag.
I understand. But did you know there is a second trash bin?
A second one? Really? Where?
Yes, it's just behind the little door on the left.
Oh, I have never seen that before.
Many people don't know it's there. If the main one is full, we can use that one.
That is very good to know. Thank you for telling me.
You're welcome. If we all use it, the area will stay clean.
I agree. I will use the second bin next time.
That's great. It helps everyone.
Thank you for telling me in such a nice way.
Of course, we are neighbors. It's good to talk.
Yes, it is. Well, have a nice day.
You too.
The neighborhood meeting.
Hi there. How is your day going?
Hello. It's going well. Thank you.
Quick question. Are you going to the meeting tonight?
A meeting? I didn't know about a meeting.
Yes, the neighborhood meeting. It's at 7 p.m. downstairs.
Oh, I must have missed the notice on the door.
It's easy to miss. I wanted to make sure you knew.
Thanks for the heads up. What is the meeting about?
We are going to talk about the cleaning schedule for the building.
Oh, that's important.
And also about the elevator. It is always broken.
You can say that again. I'm tired of taking the stairs.
Me too. The building manager will be there, so we can all talk to him.
Good point. It is better if many people are there to complain.
Exactly. We can also vote on some things,
Like what?
like getting the garage door repaired.
Oh, I definitely want to be there for that. Thank you for telling me.
Of course, it is important for all of us.
So the meeting is at 7 o'clock?
Yes, in the main lobby.
Okay, I'll be there.
Great. See you tonight then.
Yes, see you tonight. Thanks again.
Borrowing some salt.
Hello, neighbor?
Oh, hi, good evening.
I am so sorry to bother you.
Not at all. What can I do for you?
I am in the middle of cooking and I just ran out of salt.
Oh, that happens.
Do you think I could borrow a little bit?
Of course, no problem at all. How much do you need?
Just a spoonful is enough. Thank you. You're a lifesaver.
One moment, I will get it for you.
Thank you so much.
Here you go, a small cup with some salt.
This is perfect. Thank you. Thank you.
You are very welcome. What are you making? It smells delicious.
I am trying to make a tomato soup.
That sounds wonderful on a cold evening.
Would you like to try some when it's ready?
Oh, that is very kind offer. Are you sure?
Yes, I made a very big pot. There is plenty.
Well, in that case, I would love to.
Great. I can bring a bowl over in about 20 minutes.
That sounds perfect. Thank you, neighbor.
No, thank you.